Hope all is well. So I'm back from my vacations. It was amazing vacation. 7 days I was out of the country. So now point is, JC अब लोग you were starting, there was a gap, 7 days, 8 days gas, and you didn't do any kind of exercise like me. मैंने कुछ exercise नहीं किया. 7 दिन बस जो मर्जी खाने का खाना खाया और out was completely out of schedule or out of routine. So now I'm back like this situation when you are back from your vacation. Then how do you start your daily fitness routine? So I will tell you very simple steps as you starting from your vacation after chaotic your daily routine. So first you give your body a signal that your body is getting signal that you are going back to your old habits of routine, such as like give your body overall first day the holistic exercise, such as like you do cardio, you do flexibility, and you do strength training, all of them. 25 minutes you do your flexible training, where it's very important to start before you exercise. Flexible training is super important. Do the flexible training like stretchings, movements, all your bodies. Give a signal that all the joints of your bonds, the haddi, getting like blood circulations everywhere. Then you move into your cardio. In the cardio, you can start running. You can start running for 5 to 10 minutes. If you can, 10 minutes better. And then do some kind of jumping jacks, lunges, going forward and back, kind of where the movement happens a lot of your body. So do that one. And then the last part, you do like specific muscles targeting, such as like your abs, okay, especially the bigger muscles, get your fat out of your abs is very tough. So do the abs and do some biceps sets, three triceps, and then you can do some legs is also. Don't forget to do legs as well. So this is how you break your sessions exercise into a three like kind of the major parts of your fitness timing. Like if you're doing it targeting for 60 minutes, so do it like this, okay, 20 20 20. That's how you will cover your whole body weight, because your body is not in the routine for last 1 week. So this is very important as you come out from your vacations and going back to your old routine. So do the first few days overall whole body exercise, and then move into your specific fitness zone. If you are good into running, do the more of running. If you are good into weightlifting, do more of weightlifting. If you are good at flexible training, so do more of flexible. That is gradually you go into that your core hardcore training. But this is the objectives, all right? So if you guys are really into fitness, I'm gonna share a lot of nice tips and tricks as on how to get fit. All right, my friend, take care.